Today's lesson, surface area of prisms from nets. Surface area when you're given a net. First, write the missing dimensions for each length of the net. Then find the area of each face. Add the areas together to find the area of the whole shape. This first example is a rectangular prism. We have a length of 10, a width of 4, and a height of 2. It helps sometimes to color code each face so you can see the ones that are similar. A rectangular prism has two faces that are equal, that both have, in this case, dimensions of 10 and 2. They also have two faces, we colored them green, of 10 and 4, and the two end pieces that we colored pink have dimensions of 4 and 2. Once you have all of the missing dimensions listed, then find the area of each face. We'll start with the yellow face. It's a rectangle, so we're using the formula of base times height. Substitute in the numbers 10 times 2, and the area of the yellow face is 20 units. The next face is green, so the same formula. Use the numbers 10 times 4 for an area of 40 units. Then we're doing the pink end. Again, base times height, 2 times 4 equals 8. And now we're going to repeat each one of these again because each of the faces duplicates. We have the yellow face again for 20 units squared, the green face for 40 units squared, and the pink face for 8 units squared. Once you have all 6 faces of the rectangular prism, then you add the faces together. When we add all the faces together, we get a total surface area of 136 units squared. The next example is a triangular prism. The difference with the triangular prism is that we only have 3 rectangle faces, and then the 2 bases are triangles. Again, we're going to write in the missing dimensions, find the area of each face using the correct formulas for the shapes, and then add the areas together to find the area of the total shape. If we color code our shape, you can see the 3 blue faces are all the same, and our 2 triangles are the same. Let's start with our rectangle. The base and height is 8 and 3. 8 times 3 is 24. This repeats 3 times because we have 3 equal faces. Now remember, the formula for a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So our base is going to be the length of 3 of the rectangle. The height is 2. 2 times 3 divided by 2, or 2 times 3 times 1/2, will give us 3 units squared. We're going to repeat that for the other triangle. Once you have all 5 faces, add them together for a total of 78 units squared for the total surface area.